Hi, I'm Dr. Donald DeFabio, and welcome to Relevant Rehab and our discussion on injury prevention from weekend warriors to the preseason athlete doing two-a-days. Now, we've looked at the warm-up, and that stretching's not a warm-up. We also have to look at cool down. That's right, what you do after your workout to help maintain your fitness level and keep training. Now, it's intuitive that when you do a cool down and you recover properly, the quicker you recover, the faster you're going to be able to do another workout. And the more complete, the harder that next workout will be, the more you can push yourself. So it's intuitive that you have a better recovery, then you're going to have the ability to work out more. And that is what a cool down really is. A cool down is how do you accelerate that recovery process after a game, after a workout, after a match, so that you can be prepared to push it again and keep going harder and harder. In fact, in 2020, Van Horn did a study, and his conclusion was there is no consensus on the effects of a cool down on performance. So there isn't any data to crunch, but it is just intuitive. We all know when we feel better, we can work out more. So we talked about previously in warm-up how a foam roller in between workouts reduces delayed onset muscle soreness, a marker of overtraining. Without muscle soreness after a workout, you can train more. So this is part of your recovery toolbox. We talked about using a massage stick. The massage stick has been shown to be great as a warm-up. Actually a little bit better than a foam roller, but both work well. The massage stick can also be used as a recovery tool. That works well. What about an ice bath? Ice bath is excellent as a recovery tool after you work out. So you can get into an ice bath or you can use an ice pack, but cryotherapy and ice bath works well. The gold standard to reduce delayed onset muscle soreness is massage. That's right, massage. In our office, we stack massage with something called TechR, Wim-Back TechR therapy. Drives blood to the muscles so you get better circulation, pulls out metabolic waste products, and it really not only reduces delayed onset soreness, it gets all the gunk, the metabolic waste out of the muscles. So doing a massage with TechR, stacking the two, that's money for recovery. Another typical item we use in the office is intermittent pneumatic compression, the Normatec sleeves. Those are great for driving lactic acid out of the muscles. The ticket with those is you really need to do it quickly after the workout. Maybe not like 10 minutes quickly, but not 4 hours later. You want to get the intermittent pneumatic compression in relatively soon after your workout. So here we have people come right from the gym, come right from the field, come right from the court, right to the office. Literally get their adjustment, get them on Normatec, flush it out, and then they go home and get cleaned up. It just really keeps the legs fresh. We have a unit for the shoulders, keeps the shoulders fresh for upper extremity athletes, baseball players and the like, lacrosse players. So intermittent pneumatic compression, another recovery tool. So these are all things that'll help you recover faster. They're simple, they're effective. We have a whole recovery zone, recovery room in the office where we stack these modalities and therapies so you can get back in the game, so you can recover quicker, so you can train a little bit harder. Now, on top of that are two really important things. One is hydration is essential to recovery, and the other one is rest is essential to recovery. Now, rest could be relative rest could be time off, rest could be a good night's sleep. So you got to make sure you're cycling some rest into your workouts. And then, hydration is an everyday thing. It's not a race day thing. It's not a game day thing. It's not something you do, in between sets or in between drills at practice. You got to be properly hydrated all the time. So, recovery is really part of your cool down. Your cool down for your sport is don't just, after you finished your workout, use the intracell stick, use the foam roller, use your Normatec. Slowly recover. Don't just plop yourself down and sit especially if you're going home and getting on the computer or finishing a workout and jumping in the car. Don't just slop down, because then your body will cool off in that position. And if you're in a mechanically poor position, that's what your body's going to remember. So, some simple tips on recovery. I'm Dr. Donald DeFabio. Cool down properly, recover properly, work out harder. Thanks for tuning in. Shoot me a text, shoot me an email, pick up the phone if you have any questions.